Hello, good morning. The Aircraft Act 1934 was repealed, and Bharatiya Vayuyan Adhinayam 2024 was brought into force. See, this act was coming into force from 1/1/2025. So, considering that various aspects of incidents, air crash and other things, damages, passengers problem, so many things have been incorporated under the new act, and you can also claim compensation under this act. And there are other provisions to go through that act. Then the most important act which was brought into force from today onwards. The rules were notified, act was notified. So this is Waqf Amendment Act. Waqf Act 1995 has been amended. That means the act will remain. Waqf Act 1995 will remain, but there are certain amendments brought by the central government. Some important amendment I would like to share. There was a proposal for Afghani Waqf, Bora Waqf, and amendment to Sunni Waqf, which was already existing, and surveying officers were replaced by collectors, and some protected monument under Ancient Monument Preservation Act 1904 and Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958. That was protected from Waqf. That amendment was there. Then another problem was, they say there should be an independent Waqf board for Afghani Waqf and Bora Waqf. Because the old act is having provisions for Sunni Waqf. Then there are two watching councils consisting nominated persons from various board, including union minister, 3 MPs, and the eminent scholars in Muslim law. So many things are there, but this amendment contains that there shall be 2 non-Muslim members other than the ex officio members. So that is there, and the same amendment was also directed under State Council. State Council was also brought into force. Then there was a finality of the tribunals, but this amendment carries that that provisions were deleted from the act. And then important thing is 55A of the Principal Act was brought into force. Then important thing is several other amendments are there. Limitation Act was brought into force. Limitation Act, and some disqualification were prescribed. Disqualifications were prescribed to being a mutawali or other in charge of these members of Waqf. So these things are there. Kindly go through that. Then another act was brought into Immigration and Foreigners Act. This Immigration and Foreigners Act pertaining to issuance of passport and so many other provisions. Foreigners Act has got other provisions that has been enlarged. that has been enlarged. Therefore, central government to empowered to provide some requirement of passport or other travel document in respect of persons entering into and exiting from India. So these things are there. So go through all those things. Best wishes.